the bloodless revolution, South Africa's failed revolution. How a revolution is so similar to ukuthwala, in a sense ukuthi we had to sacrifice something to gain something. So ngesilungu bathi nothing worth having comes easy. Whether it's the right to vote, something so basic as the right to vote, bafethu. Kunabantu to lose their lives, kunabantu bekumele bashone ukuze thina so vote. Whether it's equity or equality, whether it's ama-females fighting against patriarchy, or it's homosexuals fighting against heterosexuality dominance, or it's a race fighting against ukuthi enye race ifuna ukuba dominant over yona. Nothing worth having comes easy. Look at the French Revolution, bafethu. Ukuze the French babe ne-liberty bekumele kuchitheke igazi labo Louis the 16th ne-army yakhe ukuze kube ne-something so basic as i-liberty, bafethu. Ukuze eHaiti, look at the Haitian Revolution, ukuze abantu babe ne-freedom, bakwazi ukuhamba estradeni, bangabi forced or subjugated ukuthi bayenze izinto abangazifuni. Kunabantu had to lose their life in the Haitian Revolution. Look at the Russian Revolution, ukuze abo-Lenin or ama-Bolsheviks akwazi ukungena eParliament, like the masses decide ukuthi bona bafunani. Ama-Bolsheviks had to be defeated. Even now, ama-Bolsheviks had to sacrifice impilo zabo, most of them. Some of them had to be exiled. Like nothing worth having comes easy. There is no such thing as a bloodless revolution or a sacrifice-less revolution. Even one of the greatest countries in the world, America, ukuze kube i-America, bekumele ilwe against Britain to gain independence, and at the time Britain was one of the most powerful empires in the world. So powerful, it was said the sun never sets on Great Britain's empire. So that's how vast the empire was. But America had to fight and defeat labo bantu ukuze babe independent. Even after gaining independence, ukuze ama-slaves or the ama-liberals akwazi nabo ukuba upusha vele abo-liberty, abo-freedom, abo-equity, they had to fight against the South. They had to fight against ama-conservative. So nothing worth having comes easy. So nathi inkinga esinazo eMzansi, whether it's migration, whether it's unemployment, whether it's crime, whether it's corruption, whatever issue, whether it's access to healthcare or access to education, whatever issues esinazo thina nathi, we have to be willing to sacrifice, bafethu. Whether soba exiled, whether soba ridiculed, even worse, whether solahlekelwa impilo zethu njengabo Solomon. Like it's something we should be prepared for, because our ancestors or our predecessors, they attempted a revolution. However, their revolution was a halfway revolution. We gained the right to vote, we gained the freedom of movement. So like akhona ama-benefits abekhona from their failed revolution. However, we must continue their failed revolution. Kuneso gain equity.